In this video, I'm going to show you guys what's the best text-to-speech software on the market today. Here's one thing you gotta understand. When you search Google, search what is the best text-to-speech website, Google Cloud pops up, text-to-speech, speech or low, Mirth AI. They are paying for it to get you to buy this here. Listen how this sounds.
Want to create amazing voiceovers? Mirth can help you do that effortlessly. Try for free.
You guys paying for that. So watch this. When you type in also is Play.ht. So here's what Play.ht is. It's a cloud-based AI voice generator that uses machine learning to convert written content into audio. Whole thing about it. Let's go to the website real fast. Boom. This is it here. Play.ht. I like this software. This is amazing. Software website. I like this joint. You can generate AI voices and distinguish you from humans.
Thanks for calling Play.ht. How can I help you today?
Hey, yeah, I just bought a subscription with Play.ht, and I'm not sure how to activate it.
Okay, sure. To activate your subscription, you'll have to click on the link in the email. You should have received an email from us when you made the purchase. Just click on it and you'll be good to go.
Voice for video.
Okay, lovely bakers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. Today, we're diving into something seriously delightful, a classic chocolate cake recipe. Who doesn't love a good chocolate cake? All right, let's jump into the good stuff. First off, you're gonna need some all-purpose flour. I've got about 2 cups here, but don't hesitate to adjust if you're feeling a bit adventurous. And of course, cocoa powder. Can't have a chocolate cake without that rich chocolatey goodness. Am I?
My voice is the perfect choice for your children's audiobooks. And I like reading bedtime stories.
I've had just about enough of you, Dutch. Maybe you believe you shall. Understand the clones, you will.
Show you all the voices, but you guys get the head of it though. You got all these different voices here, American, British, all different languages here. These languages, they all sound realistic to me. Let me know what you guys think. Compared to the other one that I just showed you, guys get started with this thing for free if you guys want to. It's the first link in the description. What I'm gonna do something special for you, but just stick around. I'm gonna show you and watch this. So when you go ahead and go to your studio, matter of fact, when you go to Fiverr and you want a voiceover from Fiverr, these voiceovers, some voiceovers like this, $30, $10, but $30 here. These probably the premium ones here. I don't know how much the cheaper ones cost, but who wants cheap? 30 ones you get 75 words, $30. And here's a sample of the guy voice here. So this guy here, Marlon, he has 1,000 sales here, $50, right? Let's hear his voice.
Where one man does several voices. My Sam Elliott guy, this is voice you hear for drug commercials, fishing ads, and anything outdoors. Even Santa Claus. I'm already fat with a beer, so it was just a matter.
So look, check this out. Let me show you what you could do here. This is what you could do. This guy charges $50, so you get 100 words for $50. So this is what you do. Let's go back to
Time.
You click, you go down to save video as. What's his name? Marlon? Let me save this video quick. Watch how we do this. Watch how we do this. I'm gonna take this video that I'm downloading now. I'm gonna take the video download over to Descript. Watch this. My man charged $50. Watch this. Marlon here. I think that's his name anyways. The Descript Analyzer. You can use any software for this here, but I prefer to use, I think you can use Clipchamp as well to download the audio. But I might section out a particular voice that I wanted from Marlon and show you how we gonna pretty much use Play.ht voice cloning feature here. I'm gonna delete this one because on the free plan here, this is my dummy account here. I'm gonna show you guys how to use the free plan because with the free plan, you get one voice cloning on the free plan. So as Descript is pretty much downloading my audio from here, pull out a section.
Hey Fiverr, it's Darren Marler. Welcome to my Fiverr gig. Now, if you've seen my profile, you know I already offer a variety of voices, including movie trailer guy, in a world where one man does several voices. My Sam Elliott guy, this is voice you hear for drug commercials, fishing ads.
I'm gonna take my man Marlon's voice here and I'm gonna download this audio here. I'm gonna go audio and I'm gonna export Marlon's voice here, put it in the same folder. Once I download, take Marlon's voice over to Play.ht. Instant, only 30 seconds of audio needed. Takes Marlon's voice over here. Marlon, male voice, a young middle-aged Marlon. Let's go. Description, I hereby confirm, yada. Let's go. Let's clone Marlon's voice here from off of Fiverr. Let's clone his voice. Let it go ahead and do its thing. Here's a sample.
This voice is brought to you by the community at Play. This voice is brought to you by the community at Play.
So this is, you can either use the enhanced version for Marlon voice, or you can use the normal version. Let's go ahead and use the enhanced here. I think we can do this with the free plan. So let's go. Hit finish. So it's going to pretty much generate the voice. Let's go play with that here. So we're going to create a new file. We'll click Play.ht V 2.0. And we're going to go over to click this here, cloned, Marlin. We're going to apply it to all paragraphs. We don't have any paragraphs now, but we're going to apply it. Firm. Let's get a script. Let's get a script here from off of here. We'll copy that. Pick it over here. So what I like to do when I'm doing my audio stuff, I like to cut it up. Sometimes I actually do it by itself. I like to cut it up and pretty much give it, each comma, give it its own sentence. I'm just going to play around with this here. I don't really, cool. Generate all. So now it's generating all the voiceovers that right here that we chose here. Let's go and see how Marlin sounds.
Play.ht is a cloud-based AI voice generator that uses machine learning to convert written content into audio.
You hear that? So check this out. Let's go to Marlin voice here. When we go to here, you go to advanced voice settings. Each file, you can change a different voice. You can change the voice style. You can go to advanced voice control. You go to stability, similarity, intensity. You go increase it or decrease it. Going to the left, it's going to make it sound more flatter. Take it to the right, it's going to be more expressive. Similarity, left, it's going to reduce how unique the voice is. Go to the right, it's going to maximize its individuality. Going to the left, it's going to reduce the uniqueness, and going to the right is going to increase the individuality. For intensity, going to the left is going to reduce how strong it is, how strong the emotion will be, and going to the right, it will create a very emotional performance. So let's go ahead and choose this one right here, play around with this. Intensity, he's really emotional on this one. So we're going to hit this to regenerate. So let's see how this is.
Play.ht is a cloud-based AI voice generator that uses machine learning to convert written content into audio.
Let's see how it sounds.
It has over 600 AI voices in more than 60 languages.
I like to play around sometimes and add some things in here to make it sound more natural. Depends on what I'm doing. Regenerate.
It has over 600 AI voices in more than 60 languages.
So here, let me know if it guys sound like Marlin. Check Marlin. Let me know if it sounds like Marlin.
Effects if you need them. Now, I don't offer this on my website or anywhere else. This is exclusive.
Hey, Marlin. Let me know if it sounds like Marlin. Let me go play around with this. Let me grab some more context from Marlin here. Plug it in. Yeah, here you go. I hit Control V. Give me the whole script. We're going to cut it up. Go ahead and boom, hit that. Go ahead and generate this, generate that. You can actually hit generate all.
Note I cannot do voiceovers for existing videos, nor do I sync to pre-existing audio.
Need to tone it down a little bit. Go ahead and all these individually.
Note I cannot do voiceovers for existing videos, nor do I sync to pre-existing audio.
I like it. So another thing that I do, I make sure if I have a semicolon, I make sure my semicolon stops here because I want to be a natural flowing sound in my content. So I hit Control F, depends on how long my content is. It'll highlight the semicolons, and you can also see it on the left side as well. And I would just go ahead and hit the colon and then do the semicolon as well. If I have a semicolon in my content, when I hit Control F, I can highlight each one of them and I can just find it and then I break it down. So let's go ahead and play this one more time.
Play.ht is a cloud-based AI voice generator that uses...
Let's go ahead and see how that sounds.
Play.ht is a cloud-based AI voice generator that uses machine learning to convert written content into audio.
Play all of them.
That uses machine learning to convert written content into audio. It has over 600 AI voices in more than 60 languages, including English, German, French, Turkish, Japanese, Portuguese, Swedish, Russian, Spanish, and Italian. Note I cannot do voiceovers for existing videos, nor do I sync to pre-existing audio. I found it nearly impossible to match the timing. It is better to begin with the voiceover and create the video based on that. Also, I will not voice overtly foul language, sexual content, or anti-religious content, and reserve the right to refuse any job I do not approve of for any reason.
A little tick. What I do as well, I get rid of that space and I get rid of that comma sometimes, and then I will regenerate it.
Also, I will not voice overtly foul language, sexual content.
That little tick is gone. I go export that. You can export it, the single paragraph, each paragraph separately, or you can import the whole entire file. It's up to you guys how you plan on using it. Another thing I like about this thing is how, let's say I go to chat, like actually give me a conversation. I already started this earlier. Let's say a conversation between Alex and Jamie, and they have a full-blown conversation. I can take this over here to Play.ht, Control P. It'll pretty much procreate each sentence here that's from each character. And I will go ahead and go here, pick a character here. Let's say pre-made. Let's go ahead, A, B, A, B. See how she said.
Once upon a time, in a magical forest, there lived a little fairy named Rosie. Rosie had shiny wings that sparkled like the stars in the sky.
So I can do Abigail, take off this, apply to all paragraphs. I just want to apply to one. It confirms. So each one for Jamie, I want to apply Abigail. Confirm. Jamie here again. Abigail. So then this one right here, I'm gonna change this to the male voice. William.
Hey, I'm Will from Amazon. I'm calling in regards to the laptop stand you ordered last week.
Okay, William. You're gonna apply to each paragraph. So William here is gonna be Alex. William again. So now what I would do is go ahead and cut that out of there. I kept it there as a placeholder to identify who's who. Cut them out of here. Generate all. Now William and Abigail is having a conversation. Once they go and finish generating, see how that sound.
Hey Jamie, I've been thinking about diving deeper into stock investments. I've got some savings set aside, and it seems like a smart move. What's your take on it?
Smiling, actually, Alex. I've been dabbling in stocks for a bit now.
We don't want to say smiling. And Abigail, not the problem.
Actually, Alex, I've been dabbling in stocks for a bit now. It's definitely an interesting way to potentially grow your money.
You want to pretty much get the characters that you want to use for this here. As you saw from the previous one, it's quite a bit of voices that we was able to go through and sort through from the beginning. You got Irish voice here.
Once upon a time in a magical forest.
You got different languages. So what I'm gonna do for you guys as well, since you guys stick to the end of this video, I'm gonna show you guys what I have on my personal account here. Let me log in here. My personal account here, show you guys, let me share some stuff with you guys that I have here. And here I have my voice clones here. So I have the voice clone from a lot of different places. I'm gonna give you guys all my voice clones that I have here. I got Kevin Hart, I got Tupac, I got Andrew Tate, I got Magnus from Magnus Media, Sky. I'll give you a sample of some of these voices. I'm gonna share all my voices that are already pre-generated for you guys. I got the TikTok voice, the male voice from the TikTok videos, the guy William, a couple. I'm gonna share my creations with you guys, so you guys automatically just start generating voice content with some of these voices here. These are look at some of my files as well. I've been using this thing a lot, like all month, creating content. I got Lawrence Fishburne in here, so check this out. I gotta regenerate this one here.
Imagine a world where the boundaries of human potential stretch far beyond the horizons of our current understanding. It's a voyage into the very fabric of what makes us human.
So when you see a dash as well, you probably want to hit that to regenerate each different section as well for that. I'm gonna share the voices with you guys because you guys stuck to the end of this video. Let's go look at the price here. I'm on a Studio Unlimited plan here, but when you guys get started on a free plan right there, you get 12,500 characters with the free plan. So you can start generating voices for you guys, scripts, or so forth. So here's the payment options. This is what you get right here. If you guys do the monthly plan, it's $40 a month. You get 250,000 characters. For the free plan, you get 12,500 characters. You get 1 instant voice clone. You get 10 instant voice clones with the $40 plan that I got. I got the most popular plan because you get unlimited characters per month. You get unlimited instant voice clones. You get 1 high fidelity clone, access to all voices and languages, commercial use, faster generations. You get all that within this plan here. So that's why I got that. That's why I had to upgrade. I had to bump it up to get the unlimited plan to make this shit happen because I've been generating the hell out of shit. I forgot to say my account here. I just logged out. If you guys want to get started with this software here, like I said, it's way better than 11 Labs, way better than a lot of other softwares out there, way better than SpeechAlow. The first thing in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.